There's only one more color, red. Another guy. Don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to Alex World. Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
What are we doing today?
I made the Legos. Lego molds, measuring cup, corn syrup, and gelatin. I'm doing the color yellow.
Yellow first?
Yeah. First we need to have a cup of water. Agitate.
What color are you doing?
Yellow. Mama's gonna do the next part.
What color are we doing next?
Purple. Purple.
We're gonna put all the leftover in there.
Red. Blue. Green. Red, blue, and green. Look at the little tiny one.
We're putting the leftover in a little plate to see how that gummy bear comes out.
Red. Whoa, that's
a lot.
I'm gonna put it everywhere.
That one's gonna be big, big, big.
I'll make a bigger one.
A bigger one?
Yeah. And this one.
That one? I'm excited for this one.
There's only one more color, red. Another guy. Now we know when it comes gummy bears.
I can't wait. The gummy bears are done.
Well, which one do you want to eat?
I want to try this big guy or this big, big, big one that we made. The big Lego guy. Oh! It looks like a big eyeball. That one is humongous. That's a big bite. How is it? Good? Let me see it. Let's put Isaac's face here. We made such a big gummy bear. That's a big Lego piece. Cool.
Red and blue makes purple. Look at the back of it. There's only red, a little bit of blue, and a little bit of red.
Nice. Mommy got another Lego guy. Bye-bye, Lego guy.
Look at the stick.
Thumbs up if it tastes good.
And look at the big one.
A Lego party.
I only eat one.
Green and some blue. cool gummy bears.
I hope you guys liked it. Try making gummy bears at home. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye.